In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Binance Top Movers, which is a great way to stay informed about the most dynamic changes in the cryptocurrency market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, keeping an eye on the top gainers can provide valuable insights into market trends and help you make informed decisions. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Binance website. Binance is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, offering a platform for trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. Once you're on the Binance homepage, you'll see an interface full of various features. But what we need to focus on today is located in the Market section. Next, look for the Markets tab, which you'll typically find on the top navigation bar of the Binance website. Click on Markets, and this will take you to an overview of all the different cryptocurrencies available for trading on Binance. Here you'll have access to a comprehensive list of digital currencies, each with real-time data about their performance. After you've arrived at the Markets Overview page, direct your attention to the options available on this page. What you're looking for is the More button, a feature that helps you delve deeper into specific market data. Click on More to access extended market information. Now, you'll want to focus on the Top Gainers section, which is crucial for identifying cryptocurrencies that are experiencing a significant price increase. You can find this section by scrolling through the additional options provided. By clicking on Top Gainers, you're directed to a curated list that highlights the cryptocurrencies with the highest percentage increases over a selected time frame. This feature is especially useful if your strategy involves capitalizing on short-term market movements. Once you've accessed the Top Gainers section, you can view the list of coins with the highest price increase. The list is usually ranked from the highest to the lowest price jump, so you can easily scan through which cryptocurrencies are currently booming. By clicking on each listed coin, you'll be able to get more detailed information about its trading volume, previous price history, and other critical data to inform your trading decisions. Checking the top movers on Binance is a straightforward process, but it offers an innovative approach to market analysis. Remember, while it's tempting to jump onto trending coins that show remarkable price gains, always consider the broader market context and conduct thorough research before making investment decisions. Stay informed and smart in your trades, and leverage the tools offered by platforms like Binance to keep ahead of the curves in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency.